Today's recipe is sweet and sour lemon chicken. For this we need 1 kilo of boneless chicken. I have cut them bite size. Let's cut this chicken into bite-sized pieces so that when we fry it, it's cooked well all over. Now what I like to do is I like to use a mallet, and I'll just flatten the chicken out a bit. Don't do it too much, because if you do it too much, then it will start shredding. Just enough. Flatten it. Now if you don't have a mallet like this, you can also use back of your knife and just try flattening the chicken carefully. After doing that, continue chopping it but bite size. So this will help the chicken cook well while frying it. Now you can have a bigger size than this. It's up to you what size you want for making this dish. We need 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 chicken stock cube, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla custard powder, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour plus 1 whole egg. We will use these ingredients to marinate the chicken. We are using custard powder because it's sweet and sour lemon chicken. Then for the lemon sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of honey. We need some lemon. I will zest the lemon plus use the juice of this lemon. Then we need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of custard powder, chili flakes, 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, plus we need 1/4 cup of white vinegar, plus we need some corn flour to coat this chicken for frying. So first we'll marinate this chicken, we'll let it marinate for half an hour, and after it's marinated, then we'll coat it with this flour and we'll deep fry it. So let's start marinating this chicken. Let's crack the egg. Place the chicken in a nice large bowl. Add all your dry ingredients. Onion powder, then pepper powder we'll add. We'll add the chicken stock cube and salt, plus the corn flour, as well as the custard powder. You can skip the custard powder if you find it a bit unusual for this recipe. If you want, you can skip it, and just stir in everything well, after which we will add the egg. That beep is of my dishwasher, so hope that's fine. Okay, now I'll just whisk this egg quick. Just add in the egg and mix it well. Coat the chicken well with everything. I'll let this rest or marinate for half an hour. I'll cover this bowl and I'll let it be on my countertop. This chicken is marinated since half an hour. Now I'll add this to my corn flour, and we'll coat these chicken pieces well with the corn flour, and then we'll deep fry it in oil. While coating this chicken with corn flour, I am heating the oil on medium high flame. So coat each of these chicken pieces well. Once I coat this chicken, I'll just dust off the excess cornflour from it and place it on a different plate before frying it. I've heated oil on medium flame. Your oil should not be too hot and should not be less hot, because then if it's less hot, then it soaks up the oil, the chicken. Now at this point of time, I'll check if the oil is ready for my frying. Now you can see the oil is ready, because as soon as I put the chicken, the oil is sizzling around the chicken pieces. While frying this, do not overcrowd your pan. And remember, when you keep adding the chicken pieces, you need to be a bit quick, because the temperature in the oil drops and then it won't, all the pieces won't cook evenly at the same time. Continue frying till the chicken is done. Now I won't add more. I'll let this fry on medium flame. Do not stir instantly. We'll wait for the oil to clear up a little here on the surface. And we'll fry this till it's golden brown. And since we've cut the chicken into bite sizes, this chicken should cook well. This chicken has been frying since 15 minutes and it's ready. You can see that at this point of time it's ready. We'll remove it from this and I'll transfer it to a bowl. Once it cools down, I'll show you how the chicken is cooked inside. So just remove it and keep it aside. Now what I like doing is, when I fry the second batch of chicken in this oil, I will wait for this oil to come to the desired temperature for me to fry my second batch, because at this point of time the temperature in this oil has dropped. So I want to reheat or let this oil heat again at medium for at least 3 to 4 minutes before I start frying the second batch of chicken. I'll test if this oil is ready to fry my second batch of chicken. I'll just drop one piece and you can see the oil is sizzling, which means my oil is ready to fry my second batch. So I'll continue frying the rest of my chicken, and I will prepare the lemon sauce once all my chicken is fried. While the chicken is frying, I'll show you how well this chicken is cooked. You can see how well this chicken is cooked from the inside. It took me around 15 minutes to fry this chicken, and it's tender and it's definitely a yummy recipe. You can have this also without the lemon. Avoid zesting the white of the lemon because that's a bit too bitter. I've zested 1.5 lemons. Remove the lemon juice from the lemon. We need around 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I'll add this 1/4 cup of lemon juice to the zested lemon bowl, plus chili flakes and salt as per taste. I'll add in the sugar as well, vinegar, plus some custard. If you don't want to add this, you can skip it. Give it a quick stir. Keep this sauce mix aside and I'll cook it once I finish frying my chicken. So once the chicken is fried and this sauce is cooked, we will pour this sauce over the chicken and serve it. I've heated a pot on low flame and I'll add my lemon mix. Now while making this, you should always taste for the sweetness and the sourness. So if you find it a bit too sour or lemony flavor, you can add more honey. So what I did is, instead of adding like 2 tablespoons, I added an extra 2 more tablespoons of honey because I felt it was the lemon flavor was too overpowering. But it's up to you. So when you prepare this mix, just give it a taste and adjust the taste level, the sweetness and the sour level according to your desired taste. So now what I want to do is, I want to cook this lemon sauce till it becomes a bit thick. Continuously whisk this mix till it starts coming to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, lower the flame. Just continuously whisk the sauce. Now I've added chili flakes. This is an option. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. I'll show you the consistency of the sauce. You can see it's really nice. I like this consistency, but it's up to you. If you want it a little thicker than this, you can continue cooking it a little thicker. If you want it at this medium consistency for the sauce, it's perfect. At this point of time, I'll turn the stove off and I'll pour this over the top of my fried chicken. So you can see how beautifully this sauce is cooked. Turn the stove off and we'll pour this over the chicken. Let's pour this sauce over the chicken. Sweet and sour lemon chicken is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification for my latest videos and enjoy this dish. Thank you for watching.